Your forecast first with Chief Meteorologist Lisa Teachman, sponsored by X Services.
Kansas is center stage for an intense storm system that's moving out of the plains that's going to be pushing off to the east over the next 24 hours. We have just about everything from severe weather to a blizzard that will take place tonight. We'll also have some rather intense winds over the next 24 hours, gusting from 50 to 60 miles per hour, and fire concerns are still up farther to the south-southwest. We do have one severe thunderstorm warning in play for the Finney County area. That will stay in effect until 5:15. We also have additional rounds of rain off to the east, but new thunderstorms that are blossoming right over the severe thunderstorm watch. That is where we have the greatest potential for hail, high winds, and a tornado or two. We've already had some landspouts and other tornadoes developing in southwest Kansas and Oklahoma earlier today. Downtown Wichita, you can see the overcast skies as that rain pushes eastward. Intense winds sustained above 30 miles per hour, and the cold front is now entering northwest Kansas and southwest Nebraska. Liberal recovering to 73 degrees. Scattered showers and thunderstorms will continue. We're going to see more activity out to the west that moves into the central and eastern parts of the state tonight. We will break down all these different areas of this intense storm system ahead in your Storm Track 3 forecast. Your news starts now.
This is KSN News 3 Sunday.
Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Craig Andrews. We do have severe weather in Kansas today. We've got a picture of a landspout this afternoon. This is outside Garden City, and we have a lot of watches out for parts of the state, including even a blizzard warning for parts of our viewing area. I want to get right back to KSN Chief Meteorologist Lisa Teachman. What's the latest on what's happening right now?
We also had another tornado that was reported not too far away from Garden City earlier this afternoon. But this is the area where you predominantly think about the hail and also the high winds. But we have so much spin that's occurring with this storm system that any severe thunderstorm, it is capable of producing maybe a tornado or even a landspout. You just have a lot of motion that's going on, not only at the surface, but several thousand feet up. The severe thunderstorm watch will stay in effect until 9 p.m. tonight, including Hayes, Great Bend, over toward Hutchinson, Pratt, Medicine Lodge, Dodge City, and Garden City. You will notice at this time, Wichita is not included in this. That's the warmer side of the system. The colder side, this begins tonight. Winter weather advisories and blizzard warnings. Several inches of snow will be impacting that blizzard warning area through later tonight and tomorrow. One round of rain, that's pushing off to the east over toward eastern Kansas, but now the atmosphere has recovered and we have seen a few severe thunderstorms so far this evening, and one severe thunderstorm warning that is still in effect for Finney County until 5:15. This includes Garden City to Pierceville. Storm is tracking to the northeast. $half size hail and also winds to 60 miles per hour, a possibility. Few other thunderstorms brewing from near Oberlin to Norton down toward Hoxie. These are below severe thresholds. The activity off to the east had some pretty good rains moving through Eureka on down toward Chautauqua and also Elk counties. I want to bring in meteorologist Jack Maney. He is in Storm Tracker 3. We do have a few thunderstorms that are developing near the Kansas-Oklahoma state line. He is in Storm Tracker 3 for an update. Jack.
Hi, Lisa. Yeah, we're here in Buffalo, Oklahoma, just on the Oklahoma side of that state line, and we're looking off towards the north and northwest at this storm that's been trying to develop across portions of the Oklahoma Panhandle and Beaver County. There actually was a tornado warning with this cell, if you can believe that, based on that picture from Storm Tracker 3. This storm has become a lot more disorganized. It's not really got its act together. It's struggling to take root right now. But if this thing does manage to get itself together, it's going to be in a very prime spot, I think, with all of the ingredients coming together to potentially become severe. And also, if there were to be any tornadoes this afternoon, it would be a possibility with any of these storms because, like you said, there is a ton of motion in the lower atmosphere right now that we're going to continue to watch this storm and see how it plays out, how it evolves as it moves closer in towards the Kansas state line, and we'll be with it every step of the way. Lisa?
Thank you. Meteorologist Jack Maney in Storm Tracker 3 will continue to keep you advised from the field here inside the Weather Center. But this is the storm system, the warmer side, the colder side, but we're all battling those intense winds. Meteorologist Lucy Dahl's been looking into those winds, all the wind alerts, but also the heightened fire concerns for the next several hours. Lucy.
That's right, Lisa. We have fire weather warnings in place for far southwest Kansas, including our panhandle counties on the Oklahoma side of the state line. This is where the driest and the warmest air is going to be located, but across the region, we are dealing with strong winds. And with those winds, any spark that starts could very easily spread and get out of control. Our winds gusting currently above 40 miles per hour for a large portion of central Kansas. 46 mile per hour wind gusts in Great Bend, 32-mile-per-hour wind gust in Wichita, 41-mile-per-hour wind gust in Dodge City, and 43-mile-per-hour gust in Liberal. We do have high wind warnings in place for portions of central Kansas, as well as wind advisories that last through 10 a.m. as wind stays strong overnight into tomorrow. We'll continue to keep you updated on all the threats we're seeing for the next 24 hours as we move throughout the show in your Storm Track 3 forecast. Craig?